Can you imagine your fridge losing its safe temperature after just 4 hours of a power outage? That's why a top-tier solar generator isn't a luxury. It's your ultimate fridge-saving lifeline. Or speed and real-world performance, so you'll know exactly which one can keep your essentials running without fail. From ultra-fast chargers to whole-home beasts, we'll cover 6 heavy hitters and show you which generator truly deserves the crown. Stick with me, because the differences here are huge, especially when it comes to handling that crucial refrigerator startup surge. All product links are waiting for you in the description, so you can check specs and prices instantly. 6. OUPES Mega 1 Portable Power Station 2000 watts, Surge 4500 watts, 1024 watt-hours LIFEPO4, budget-friendly heavyweight. Starting at number 6, the OUPES Mega 1 is a powerhouse for anyone wanting
high performance without the top-tier price tag. With a 1024 watt-hour LIFEPO4 battery, rated for over 3,500 life cycles, it's designed to keep your fridge running reliably for years, far outlasting older lithium-ion competitors. What makes this model truly shine for refrigerators is its 2,000 watt continuous output and 4,500 watt surge capability, perfect for handling that initial compressor spike without tripping. Plus, its enormous 800 watt max solar input means you can recharge this 1 kilowatt-hour unit incredibly fast on sunny days, essentially achieving near-continuous fridge operation if you have enough panels. At just 28 pounds, it's surprisingly portable for its power, making it easy to move from the garage to the kitchen or even take camping. Compared to Jackery Explorer 1000 Plus, it delivers superior solar input and higher surge protection, crucial for fridge reliability. While the LCD display can be tough to read from some angles, the Mega 1's UPS function and expandable capacity up to 5 kilowatt-hours make it
a fantastic budget-conscious choice. How important is solar input versus raw battery capacity to you? Share in the comments. 5. ECOFLOW DELTA Pro 120 volts / 3.6 kilowatt hours with 400 watt solar panel, whole home powerhouse. Next up, the ECOFLOW Delta Pro is a game changer for serious home backup. With a massive 3.6 kilowatt hour LiFePO4 battery and 3,600 watts continuous output, expandable to 4,500 watts via X-Boost. This unit can run not just your fridge, but your entire kitchen, or even an AC unit at the same time. Its size, 99 pounds, might sound intimidating, but EcoFlow's telescopic handle and rugged wheels make moving it manageable. Charging speed is incredible. It can recharge from a wall outlet in under 2 hours, and it supports EV charging plus up to 1,600 watts solar input, unmatched in versatility. Compared to the Anker SOLIX F3800, the Delta Pro wins in scalability and whole home backup capability. Its fire-resistant build and 3,500 cycle-rated battery ensure long-term reliability. This is the premium choice
for homeowners and RV enthusiasts who want maximum output, multi-device support, and future-proof expandability. Are you looking for a portable fridge backup or a full home solution? 4. UDPOWER S1200 1190 watt-hours solar generator kit with 120 watt solar panel. Quiet, rapid protection. The UDPOWER S1200 is the underrated champion for sensitive electronics and moderate essential loads, like keeping your fridge and office PC safe. Its 1.2 kilowatt-hour LiFePO4 battery is rated for over 4,000 cycles, outperforming many competitors in longevity. It delivers 1,200 watts continuous output and 1,800 watts surge, sufficient for most modern energy-efficient refrigerators. But its true edge is the lightning-fast UPS function, with switchover under 10 milliseconds, ideal for appliances with delicate electronics. Operating at under 25 decibels, it's whisper quiet, perfect for indoor use without disturbing your family. Compared to mid-range competitors like ECOFLOW Delta 2, UDPOWER often wins on price and provides this exceptional
UPS speed, making it a reliable, cost-effective option. If you want peace of mind for sensitive devices without paying a premium for a huge unit, the S1200 is your quiet, dependable ally. Do you value UPS speed more than raw wattage for protecting your fridge? Let me know below. 3. OUPES Exodus 1200 Portable Power Station 1200 watts, 992 watt-hours, nimble, tech-friendly midsize. The Exodus 1200 is perfect for those wanting a portable, tech-friendly option that still handles a refrigerator reliably. With a 992 watt-hour LiFePO4 battery rated for 3,500 plus cycles, it delivers 1,200 watts continuous output and 3,600 watts surge, handling compressor startup spikes effortlessly. Its real highlight? Dual 140-watt USB-C PD ports for fast device charging, ideal for laptops and high-powered electronics, a rare feature in this class. Lightweight at just 23 pounds, it's easy to transport, though the single rear handle can feel awkward when lifting. Compared to the UDPOWER S1200, it sacrifices a small amount of capacity, but
makes up for it with faster AC/solar charging and superior USB-C output. Its UPS functionality ensures your fridge and other essentials remain safe during outages. For digital nomads, professionals, or tech-savvy preppers, this generator balances portability, speed, and fridge reliability. Would you prefer a bigger battery or faster USB-C charging? Comment your 70 watt-hours. Reliable and portable. The Jackery 1000 V2 is the go-to for users seeking portability without sacrificing reliability. Its 1070 watt-hours LiFePO4 battery, rated for 4,000 cycles, delivers 1,500 watts continuous AC output with 3,000 watts surge. More than enough to keep a full-size fridge running for hours. Weighing 23.8 pounds with a smart folding handle, it's perfect for both indoor backup and outdoor adventures. The standout feature is emergency supercharging, letting you recharge fully in just 1 hour. A lifesaver during short windows of power or sun. While slightly lower
output than the Anker SOLIX C1000 and non-expandable. It's whisper quiet at under 22 decibels and often more affordable, especially bundled with its 200-watt solar panel. For campers, RV owners, or anyone who prioritizes portability, simplicity, and reliability, the Jackery 1000 V2 delivers a premium, hassle-free experience. Do you value portability and speed over expandability? 1. Anker SOLIX C1000 Gen 2 with 200-watt solar panel. Fastest, most powerful portable backup. Topping the list, the Anker SOLIX C1000 Gen 2 is unmatched in speed, output, and versatility, making it the ultimate refrigerator backup. Its 1,024 watt-hours LiFePO4 battery, rated for 4,000 cycles, supports 2,000 watts continuous power with a 3,000 watts surge, easily handling fridges and other demanding kitchen appliances. What sets it apart is the ultra-fast AC charging, 0% to 100% in just 49 minutes, world record speed that drastically reduces downtime. With a 600-watt solar input, you can fully recharge in under 2 hours under optimal
conditions. At just 24.9 pounds, it's portable and features dual 140-watt USB-C ports, plus a 10 millisecond UP set switchover, keeping your fridge safe during even the briefest flickers. Compared to Jackery 1000 V2, it beats in raw output, charging speed, and surge capacity, making it the definitive pick for anyone needing maximum reliability and speed. If speed and power are your priorities, this is the winner. Final verdict and call to action. Whole home scalability and versatility. ECOFLOW DELTA Pro, perfect if you want EV station recharge options and expandability. Fastest recharge and highest output. Anker SOLIX C1000 Gen 2, portable powerhouse for instant fridge backup. Budget-friendly with massive solar input. OUPES Mega 1, best bang for your buck. Best for sensitive electronics and quiet operation. UDPOWER S1200, light, fast UPS, silent indoors. We've compared capacity, surge, solar input, UPS speed and portability. Which generator fits your needs? Drop your choice in the comments and
explain why! If this helped, give a like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. All product links are in the description. Protect your fridge and your family the smart way.